Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to this quick guide on connecting your stylish Garmin Lily to your smartphone. Linking your watch isn't just about showing the time. It truly opens up a world of features, from notifications right on your wrist to automatically syncing all your health and fitness data. We're here to help you get set up smoothly, ensuring you make the most of your device in 2025. Before we jump into the pairing process, there are a few important steps to take. First, ensure your Garmin Lily watch has enough battery power. A full charge is always best. Then, grab your smartphone and double-check that Bluetooth is turned on, as this is how the devices will communicate. Finally, if you haven't yet, download the free Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store, as it's the hub for everything. Now, let's open up the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Once you are signed in, you will usually find a More menu or an icon with 3 lines in the bottom right or top left corner. Tap on that, select Garmin Devices, and then choose Add Device. The app will then start looking for your Garmin Lily watch, so make sure it is close by. As the app searches, your Garmin Lily watch should wake up and display a unique 6-digit pairing code right on its screen. You'll need to enter this exact number into the Garmin Connect app on your phone to complete the process. After you confirm the code, your devices should connect quickly. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the pairing was successful. If you ran into any trouble, don't worry, here are some common solutions. Try restarting both your phone and your Garmin Lily watch. Also, make sure your Garmin Connect app is fully updated to the latest version. Once connected, your Lily will automatically sync your steps, heart rate, and more, plus deliver notifications right to your wrist. Enjoy all the benefits of your newly connected device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.